Greetings to all. In this video, you will know about the proposal writing and its format. A proposal literally means a plan or a program. It refers to a formal or a written document put forward for approval via authority. So this proposal writing forms a question 2B of your ISC English language paper of class 11 and 12. It is of 10 marks and the word limit is 150 words. Before further ado, let's check out the format of a proposal. In the middle of the page, we have a title. A proposal must have an apt title, and generally it is mentioned in the question itself, and you have to take it from there only with some slight modifications. For example, if the question says setting up a science club or eco club or kindness club, then the title should be proposal for setting up a science club, eco club, kindness club, as the case may be. Or if the question asks for organizing an event, then your title should include that event. For example, proposal for organizing a charity drive, fancy dress, talk show, cultural program, quiz, workshop, etc. Moving towards the other points, we have a heading. It needs to define what your proposal is about and what you intend to do by putting forward your proposal. For example, if you want to establish a kindness club in your school, it should clearly state that you want to establish a kindness club and what is the purpose of starting that particular club. It should have at least 2 sentences to define the purpose behind establishing that club. So in the heading you have to tell about the event and plus reasons for establishing that program or event. Moving further, we have objectives of 2 marks. Your proposal must include at least 2 objectives to define what results you intend to achieve by making such a proposal. It basically refers to the output. If you want to establish a kindness club, then state which values you wish to inculcate among your fellow students and how will it help them. For example, it will help students to learn to contribute to social welfare and inculcate the values of kindness and generosity in them. Moving further, we have a list of measures. It should enlist the measures that you would take to make this proposal a success. Basically, it includes the steps that you would take in order to organize that event, in which you will write about the venue, then its time, date, and all the arrangement that you would do in order to organize that event, or as the case may be. Since 4 marks have been allotted for this section, you must write at least 4 measures. So at least 4 measures should be written by you in order to get the full marks. At last but not the least, we have concluding line. The proposal should be concluded with a sentence stating that you are capable or hopeful that your proposal will be accepted by the principal of the school. It is advisable to use the polite and appropriate language as you are seeking permission for undertaking a particular activity. And for your information, your linguistic ability consists of 2 marks in this proposal. You can see here headings of 2 marks, objective 2 and list of measure 4 marks, and the rest of 2 marks is for your linguistic ability, that how you present your words and your proposal. Moving further, we have an example. As a member of a student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. So let's check it out how you will write this proposal. As per the format, first you will write the title in the middle of the page in capital letters. Here the title is Proposal for Setting Up a Science Club. Simple and to the point, we have a title here. Then next we have heading, then semicolon. To foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce the students to the wonders and relevance of the science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. So here we have given the event what we want to organize and then stating 2 points for it. Next we have objectives, then semicolon. A science club will help the students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. Now in objectives we have written what we intend to do by organizing such a science club in a school. Moving further, we have a list of measures. This will include your venue, date, time, the money that you will spend on setting up such a science club, then all the teachers of the staff that will look after this club, and all the arrangement to be done by you. First point is the middle school activity room will be used as a room for all the science club meetings and activities. So you can see here we have venue over here. Middle school activity room will be used as a room for all the science club meetings and activities. This is the venue. Now the second point is the meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or on science-based competitions will take place on Saturday. Here we have date and time. Now the third point is membership of the science club will be open to all the students from classes 6 to 12. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, a senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Here we discussed about the authority that will look after the science club. Fourth point, we have club membership has been fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. So the money that to be spent on the organizing such meetings and will be taken from the members only, that is 250. Moving further, we have fifth point. The club will have a number of activities ranging from science fairs, robot making, creating slogans and posters, documentaries and so on. So these were our list of measures that we will take in order to set up the science club. As I told you in the beginning that we will write at least 4 or 5 measures in order to get a full 4 marks. At last but not the least, we will conclude our proposal by a concluding line, which is on your screen. We hope that our proposal will be accepted so that the science club is established at earliest. So we have concluded our proposal on a positive note that we hope that our proposal will be accepted by the authority so that we can make our needful arrangements as soon as possible.
So this was the proposal writing. If you haven't watched the book review and FIR writing videos, then check the description or click on the eye icon at the top right corner. Thank you for watching.